Great people, welcome back to Global Happenings today. We're so excited to have you again. Simon Ekpa has been dragged before the Finland court of law. In other words, a particular group have drawn up a legal suit against Simon Ekpa, which was made known on the social media. But guess what? Simon Ekpa had also reacted to it. We're going to be looking at what his reactions are and why he is reacting the way he's doing. But before we do all of that, we'd like to encourage you to please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get notification anytime we publish our video. According to the news, Simon Ekpa, a Finland-based self-acclaimed disciple of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has been accused of sponsoring terrorism in southeastern Nigeria. The group of Igbos in Germany, identified as Overseas Igbo Federation, instituted a lawsuit against Ekpa for sponsoring terrorism activities in Anambra and Imo State. This is serious. The group addressed the lawsuit to the National Prosecutor Authority, Office of the Prosecutor General of Finland, a country where Ekpa is resident. Meanwhile, details of the suit were not disclosed as only the front page of the document was shared. Reacting via his Twitter handle, Ekpa advised his followers to disregard the group. He wrote in separate tweets, said, "Disregard faceless and criminal Igbo group that have no address in Germany and could not afford to hire a lawyer in Finland, posting their propaganda on social media. Hire a lawyer in Finland and sue Simon Ekpa for agitating for Biafran freedom and stop coming to social media court." The faceless poor Igbo group looking for Fulani money could not file any document to the ICC against Nigeria for genocidal crime against Igbo being committed by Nigerian state every day. They could not inform Germany of the cleansing of Igbos. Disregard the poor group. I am here. Some weeks ago, the indigenous people of Biafra reiterated that Ekpa was not a member of the group. The group further urged Ekpa to stop using the group and Eastern Security Network to defraud unsuspecting members of the public. Wow, this is quite a very serious case, and is aware of really tearing the group apart. Ekpa is one person that is given to agitation, and ever since Nnamdi Kanu was in detention, he has been kind of fronting the whole thing and standing as a strong defense and encouraging a lot of things. But right now, with the legal step that has been taken, I don't know how he intends to defend himself if such a thing comes up. Don't forget that Ekpa is not just an ordinary personality in Finland. He is a lawyer and also an activist, and also he is a politician in Finland. So you can imagine his status in Finland, and with that kind of thing happening, it may bring some level of disrepute to him. But then, depending on how he will defend himself, at the end of the day, he may turn the whole thing around against those who are bringing it up against him. So right now, the issue is we are yet to know how far this particular group in Germany, how far they have gone, you understand, in pushing this thing forward. But however, let's look at what people are saying, because most people have talked so well on the social media. This one says, our people will rather fight themselves than fight the enemy. It's really a shame. This is exactly what MNK faced. They don't change. Another person says, Simon Ekpa is an enemy of Igbo land. Different reactions. Another person here said they should use Igbo group in Germany because World Igbo Congress, which is same oversee Igbo Federation. How many are in the so-called group? When was it set up? Autopilot Germany group should, as a matter of urgency, find who is living in the address associated with the group Another person say you deserve a Yinka grandson treatment. Wait for it. I know the day they will come for you. I know this day will come. Another person say may Adeyinka grandson treatment come to you in the name of Chukwukika Biyama. My God. A lot of people are really standing against him. Someone here say, we are IPOP O2 pilot under the leadership of MNK. We are strongly with you, Simon Ekpa. They don't receive salaries anymore. That's what is choking them. This one say, no, Simon, we are not faceless, nor are we poor. I am a forensic expert educated in Germany, working for some of the world's largest companies since over 20 years. The evidence are compiling against you on the basis of the criminal code of Finland is more than 30 pages long. Oh my God. Whoa, I don't know who this guy is, but he seems to have knowledge of the whole thing. He said that they are not poor and also that they are not faceless, though he's not showing his face. You understand? But he's passing that message out that actually they are not poor and they are piling up a lot of stuff against him. This one says, I don't know why people will leave the issue on ground and fight nothing. Is Simon Ekpa the Fulani government reducing our people to nothing? We want Biafra, not fighting one another. Use your connection and give us Biafra. Our people are suffering and dying. Are you so heartless? Another person say a house divided against itself is already fallen. As I was in the first Biafran struggle, so is it in the second. What a people, what a pity. How many factions has Fulani headsmen form? Even if they do, have you heard them quarrel in public? Oh my God. This one here said, the more career Biafra agitators attack you, the more we Biafrans are loving you. Simon, you are real. You follow the real footsteps of MNK. Biafrans are your weakness with the common Biafrans that are not interested in money and are only interested in contributing are with you. Once here says Simon the Great, nothing they happen within your sight. None of them are saying that they are with him. Someone here says Simon Ekpa, Adeyinka grandson said same and bluff, but gradually the nemesis of his action against the Igbos caught up with him. Let's see. Oh my God, so many people are reacting here. And personally, I feel that if this kind of thing has been made public, he needs to start preparing himself also, prepare to defend himself, because if he doesn't, who knows what will happen. I would like to leave it there. Go to our comment section, listen.